Hi there, De-Crypt here again. Firstly, I need to apologize. In my last video, I announced myself as a hybrid trader. Um, I started off this channel under the name of hybrid trader, and then I just thought, it just doesn't sound very cool. De-Crypt sounded a lot better, so I changed the name, and I forgot about it. Apologies there, but I am De-Crypt. And I'm bringing you some news today, or the latest news from the Cryptobontix team and the Dignity token, formerly known as Unity token. I'm on the Cryptobontix news, or their website, in their news tab, as you can see. And if you scroll down, I'm not going to go to their official news channel. That is the that is the official Telegram channel for them. They have two channels, as you saw there in the links. This is the news channel, which is not too bad. They haven't shared anything there yet, really, and it's not too busy. I don't have Telegram on my computer because these, or rather their community group, is super busy, and I just don't have time to keep up with it. So I keep it on my mobile, and when I'm laying in bed at night, I just go through what they're talking about there, and at the moment, to be honest, it's a lot of talk and a lot of crap, really. There's nothing of interest there to share. So I'm not going to go into that. But if you scroll down to the bottom of their page, you will see click here for more details. Now if you click on that, it'll bring you out to this page. This is a news item that was shared yesterday on this page, and also in the Telegram forum. But as I say, I try not to spend too much time on the forum, because 99% of what is said there is a lot of rubbish, and there are a lot of FUD spreaders and naysayers and people who think they know more than they actually do. But let's get into the news of what was said yesterday. Hi guys, this is Philip, and I'll be the social media coordinator for Cryptobontix and Arbitrade at the moment. Thanks a lot for your patience over the last months. We're aware that we need to improve our communication on all levels. Now, there's even been, in the Telegram group, there's been a lot of talk wanting people to validate, or wanting Philip to validate his identity and his credentials and everything else. Trust me, this guy has been appointed by the Cryptobontix team, and he's a German guy. He's based in Germany, if I'm not mistaken. He is German, and he is handling the PR for Cryptobontix and Arbitrade for the time being. He's been in this business for 10 years, and he has a bit of experience in it, and the guys there are giving him quite a hard time, trying to force his hand into ejecting certain people from the group and everything else. But anyway, the guy is legitimate. Trust me, he's legitimate, and any news that he spreads there can be taken as gospel. He got it straight from the team, or the board at Cryptobontix or Arbitrade, and he's sharing it legitimately and officially with the group. Now he goes on to say how to stay updated. Please see this approach as a first step in a more transparent direction. To reach you where you are, we set up an official Twitter account as well as 2 Telegram channels, and there's the 2 Telegram channels. This news channel, as far as I'm concerned, is probably the only one that you really have to belong to. Any news will appear in the Cryptobontix news section, in this section on their official website anyway. So it's really, if you're a busy person and you don't have time for reading through 1,000 messages to get one little scrap of information, then the Cryptobontix community chat on Telegram is really not for you. I know I spend, as I said, very little time on it. Getting back to his post here, he says, feel free to join. Follow both of them to catch the latest news. They were also added on the website this morning. My job is to help Dr. Timothy McGarvey, CIO and co-founder of Axons Trade Finance and Supply Chain Management Company, with April ICO. You see, his English is not perfect, but we understand what he's talking about. They're talking about the upcoming ICO in April. And the team to share news and new info for more frequently across all channels. I will also help to summarize small pieces in articles like this to keep you updated. Now, Dr. Timothy McGarvey is another person who is in the community chat on Telegram. Everybody keeps giving him a hard time about proving who he is and everything else. The guys at Cryptobontix have already stated that he is a member of the board. He has confirmed his identity on LinkedIn. Trust me, he is trustworthy, he is legitimate, and he is giving out any information he gives out can be taken as gospel, comes straight with the approval of the Cryptobontix board, and so on. He is legitimate. No matter what anybody says in the forum there are a lot of skeptics in that forum or that chat group, and they really are not helping anybody by creating all the FUD that they do. What he says is, I can fully understand that you have a lot of questions and starve to get more input. That's why I asked the early members of the official Telegram group to send over questions that one of the board members will answer. Now, Philip has been collecting questions to put to Dr. Timothy McGarvey, and he actually went as far as creating a Google document that people could add questions to, and he was going to take these questions to Dr. McGarvey, and Dr. McGarvey has now responded with some questions. Obviously, he can't give full answers to some of these questions as he is not entitled to release some of the information, but these are his answers that he has given. I can fully understand that you have a lot of questions and starve to get more input. That's why I asked the early members of the official Telegram group to send over questions that one of the board members will answer. Today I'm happy to share the first answers from Dr. Timothy McGarvey, who is one of the board members of Cryptobontix, the main brand for DIG, Echo, NAM, ORE, and HNR, and Arbitrate. First question was, when we will see a proof that you really have gold bullions backing the tokens? That should read, when will we see? Anyway, Dr. McGarvey answers, the bullion and mining company partners will be revealed before our official launch in approximately 8 weeks estimated time. Now that is obviously some information that he can't release at the moment. There obviously are some big mining companies. In fact, I know there are some big mining companies involved, and they obviously cannot release that information at the moment, and quite frankly it's not that important at the moment. Next question was, what is the correct number of tokens? I read the number of tokens will be reduced from 10 billion to 3 billion. The number of Etherscan shows 3.504.415970 in general. He answers there is only 3 billion tokens total for Dignity, and that is what we've been told from the beginning. After the token swap, we would go from 10 billion to 3 billion. I'm not exactly sure where he gets this figure of 3.504415970. Not sure at all. We were told from the beginning it would go from 10 billion to 3 billion. Next question was, in my modest opinion, all of the market, world of crypto, needs is proof. A certificate from a trusted company showing that you really have gold enough to back the DIG, he means the Dignity token. That's the major point. Dr. McGarvey replies, yes, we agree, and everything will be revealed once our development and setup is completed, which has been in progress for months. And I know for a fact it has not been in progress for months, it's been in progress for years. This has been a long-term project, and it's huge. It has taken a lot of work, and quite frankly, with the funds that they've had and the way they've gone about it, I'm amazed at what they have managed to pull off here. We are unlike many other crypto-related assets which have only a white paper or have a white paper and is very early in the development stage. We built everything first, and he is quite right here. I know for a fact. I have some sources that give me some inside information which I'm not prepared or able to reveal at the moment, but I know that they have everything built. They have done everything. They are literally ready to hit the button and make this all go live, but they can't at the moment. For legal reasons, they need to get everything all sorted out. Mr. Garvey is hinting at that. Yeah, they haven't just got a white paper and a little bit of development. They have built everything. Everything is ready to go. They have the deals in place, and they are about ready to go. Next question was, any idea of when the DIG token will reflect on CoinMarketCap? He answers, it will be roughly 2 weeks. But that's just an estimate. I'm sure they can't answer for CoinMarketCap. I'm sure it has been submitted already. It needs to go through their admin process. Question, any other dates for Dig to keep in mind for upcoming announcements. We will start doing regular PR commencing this upcoming week. That is, this upcoming week started yesterday. We did have a little announcement, which was this one. I'm sure there will be many more coming this week. In fact, I know there are going to be a lot. Maybe not. Can't guarantee. I'm not part of the team. I can't guarantee that it'll be this week, but there are going to be announcements coming out soon, and what will be announced is going to blow the market away anyway. Please also comment on the management team. Who is the CEO, CTO, and CMO? He answers that will be released as soon as it can be released. Our team has been built from Wall Street, and the companies are being treated as if they were public companies. And I can't say for a fact, but I have been told that some of them are in fact publicly traded companies or listed companies, and that is why the legalities involved here are immense, and people have to be careful what news they release and what they say before everything has been sorted out from a legal standpoint. This is a huge undertaking, and they don't want to jeopardize this by doing something that could be considered to be maybe not illegal, but against the rules of what they do here. That is why they've got these lawyers involved and are doing everything by the book. So information gets released officially when all the I's are dotted and all the T's are crossed. Precisely what I just said. Is there a backup plan for I don't know why I keep saying that, C-CEX exchange Uniswap? The Uni wallet has been broken for a long time, but should be fixed next week. Based on the last 2 to 4 months scams, silence and inaction on C-CEX. It seems hard to believe. There is no support at all. Deposits and withdrawals may work or not. Many of the wallets and broken. Okay, there's a little bit of broken English there, but anyway. C-CEX has a voucher system which allows moving crypto from one user to another to any other user, and it works even without the wallet. Maybe potential swap alternatives. He replies, yes, good idea. I'm sure they are looking into that. That was a very good idea that came there, I'm sure. Is there a more secure way to storing tokens? Is there an offline wallet or company that the Dignity team would endorse? He answers, anyone can use my Ether wallet, the new Trezor. We are told will be able to hold a lot of different coins, and Ledger also works. What I can tell you to add to that is, at the moment, all withdrawals inside Lifecoin are still disabled. So even if you wanted to store these offline, at the moment you can't. Then he goes on to say that that's it for today. There is more information coming soon that can't be shared until the lawyers have signed it off. We will also establish a weekly 30-minute Q&A with Tim in the Telegram group soon. Thanks a lot for your patience, and feel free to ask any questions here on Twitter or Telegram. So my advice to you is follow these groups if you want. If you have the time to sit and read through all this crap that they post all day long, you're welcome to. I can't do it. I've tried. I sit and go through it at night before I go to sleep, and it's really a waste of time, really. There's nothing of value in those groups. You might get one sentence posted every 1,000 lines. It's ridiculous. My advice is follow them on Twitter, subscribe to Cryptobontix and to Arbitrate, definitely, and also just watch their news channels on their official websites. I think you should be good to go after that. But I will also keep you informed on what's happening. Things are happening. The token is doing well, a little bit too stable for my liking. I'd like to be able to trade, sell the highs and buy the lows. At the moment there aren't too many of them, but I'm sure that's going to change very soon. I will catch you later in the next video. As soon as there are some news items that I can help spread, I will do that for sure. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed what you heard, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go out there and make some money.